Good morning, guys. It is the morning of installation day 1, and it is 5:54 in the morning, so I've got to get out this door in 6 minutes in order to make it there on time, hopefully. And I will be excited later on, but I just got to wake up. So... Hey queens, I am on a quick lunch break. We took, well, not quick now, but at the end of my lunch break, we're taking a 1-hour lunch break from my install, and I wanted to know, did you guys want to see a sneak peek? Stop playing with you guys. All right, so y'all can see. Ooh, sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand because I have my phone in the other. So these are my babies. It's 65 right now. She did them in about 3 hours and 15 minutes. So she's averaging like 18 to 20 an hour, which is really good. The rest is still not done, but we got our first section done today. Can you guys see it? I love it. I love it. She did say that I am low density, which I knew already, but I thought I was like thin hair also. And she said, no, not really, just low density. And I don't have, because I'm in the Sisterlock with finer thin hair, so I thought I was thin hair as well. But nope, she says I'm just got low density. And so right now, one section is done. Let's see. And this is 65. So I don't know what else to tell you guys right now. Oh, I went with a, well, not I went with it. She chose a type 4 pattern for my hair. She says because how my, sorry, trying to catch the right light, guys, and the sun. But she said because of how my hair falls or whatever, she thought a type 4 was best for me. And she said, mine do these little crinkly curly things that some people would die for. So I'm like, somebody would die for my hair. All right, so I've got to scarf down my salad and head back to her house. So I'll check you guys back with the next part. Bye. Hey guys, today is day 2. I'm sorry I didn't get to come back to show you guys what we did last night. We went from 8 in the morning until 11 p.m. last night, and I had an hour drive, and I got home at like midnight, and I had to get back up at 4 so I could actually get here on time this morning because of traffic. So I got here this morning. Today is day 2, and we started at 7 o'clock this morning promptly. So we're finishing up a lunch break right now, and then she's gonna try and finish it today, but she said no promises. If not, we'll come back tomorrow. Yesterday we did all of the front, and so today her goal was to work on the crown, and then tomorrow the back, but she said she may be able to do the crown in the back today. So let me show you guys where we are. Woo, Jesus. All right, so that's where we are on this side. We haven't started the back, and this is the this side, and a little bit of the, well, I don't know if you guys can see. That might not have been a good shot, but it is what it is. And my babies are not going to be nowhere near as thin as I thought they were going to look. So I'm going to have some Valium, hopefully. Looks like it. All right, I'll see you guys after we're done tonight. Peace. One other thing is I'm gonna have to ask her to redo this row and this row because if you guys can see on the camera, my middle part is not directly in my middle, and I'm not a stickler for stupid stuff like, you know, a lot of people. But with this system, you're paying for the grid and you're paying for the tool, the $1 tool from China. And I don't really care about the rest of if there are perfect straight lines or anything, but that middle part, I really want that to be straight. So I'm gonna have to ask her to fix that. And that's, I don't really, you know, sometimes you have trouble standing up for yourself, but I'm gonna have to do it. I realize I'm like, I wanted to be 100% happy with this, and I'm not gonna be 100% happy if I leave without, excuse me, sorry guys, if I'm not gonna be 100% happy if I leave without speaking up to ask her to straighten up that little middle part for me. So hopefully we won't have any issues. She's a really nice lady, so I just hope she's not too tired to do it. All right. Hey guys, so my Sisterlocks are officially fully installed, and I wanted to come to you guys the day after I got them finalized because we finished so late at night. But I didn't get to it, and now we're like a week and 2 days after I finished my install. So I finished my install last Wednesday, and today is Friday. So we're a little over a week after. So forgive me, you guys know life happens. But I'm sure you guys want to know the stats. All right, so I started with, when I went for the day of measurement, I measured it like 8 to 8.5 inches. But I think between the time between measurement and actual install, I probably was about 8.5 to 9 inches. Let's see what else you want to know. I have 514 locks, and it took us 29 hours. 29 hours, so a very long time. And I love them so far, and I'm just super excited that I have them. And I know it's totally cliche, but I wish I would have done it sooner, because the hair freedom, baby, I tell you, you just wake up and you spray a little water if your consultant says you can, and then you go. You shake and you go. You fluff and you go, baby. It is so low maintenance. Why didn't I do this sooner? I was a lazy natural. And now, let me tell y'all, I've been feeling so cute. So cute. I'm trying to tell y'all. I went to Target. You know, you get your little caramel macchiato. You walk around. You shop and everything. You go. You do a little self-checkout. I looked up in that little mirror. You know, the little camera above the register. And it was like, girl, you cute. I was never cute on those Target cameras, but I was cute. So I love my hair, you guys. I'm going to hit you guys with some, let's before we go there, let's say that I love my hair. I'm officially glad I made it, the decision to do it. And I am 97% happy with my hair. So, not 100%, but 97%, and that's a passing grade in my book. So I'm not one of those sticklers of people that, everything has to be 100% perfect, blah, blah, blah. But my grid is not 100% straight and perfect. And I think the reason why it's not is because she kind of did like section by section. She would part, and then, then she would go through the individual parts for that section. When I went to a previous consultant when I was trying to get installed, she parted my whole head, all of the 9 to 12 sections or however many sections you have. She did all of them at once, and then she was going to start, each row would have been and then also what she did was she took her cell phone and she looked at my middle part on the cell phone camera, and she was able to say it was really straight. She looked at me for feedback. She asked, did I like the parts? And I didn't get that with this consultant. I love my consultant right now, and I like her more than the previous consultant that I was trying to go to. But I wish that she would have parted everything in advance, and then before she started would have given me the chance to look at my parts and say, are you okay with this? Like I said, I'm not a big stickler about all of this, but the main part I was concerned with was this middle part, and it's not 100% straight. And I had got up the nerve. I was gonna, we don't speak up for ourselves all the time, but I had told myself, okay, you're gonna speak up for this, because when you're doing the Sisterlock system, the main thing you're paying for is the grid. And, otherwise you can just go get micro locks that are much cheaper, blah, blah, blah. So the grid is the main thing that you're paying for. But by the end of that last night, on those 29 hours, I was so freaking restless. I was not going to say nothing about this part. I was like, okay, we're not getting ready to redo all of this whole section right here. Because that's like, I didn't even count, but it's a lot to go, to the middle part and all of, so I was like, I'll just take it and be happy. Depending on if I go for my retie, depending on I don't know. It's not a big deal. I've been wearing my hair with the middle part pretty much. I haven't really done any side parts hairstyles this past week. I've just been doing it with the middle part and it looks fine. So I'm okay with it. Not 100% perfect or happy with it, but I think I would probably have been 99% happy if my middle part was 100% straight. But aside from that, I love my loctician. She is 60 years old, and when I tell you guys, she is the Energizer Bunny. She is the Energizer Bunny. I was like a little kid. I was like, oh, moving. You know, my butt was hurting. I was like, oh, and I was like, wanted to ask every time, "Are we done yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet?" And I was cheering for every time we finished a section. I was like, "Yeah, we finished the section." But my gosh, when I tell you, she just kept going nonstop. She didn't take no phone calls, no text messages. She didn't take no snack breaks. No, I think I heard her crunching on a little snack maybe twice between the 2 days. Me, I was snacking every 5 minutes. But she was the most professional. She loves what she does. She's actually had her locks for I think over 10 years. They're very long, and she said she's cut them. So I think she told me, but I can't remember how many years she's had them. But I love my consultant. She's somebody that's passionate about hair. And I text her if I have any questions or if this is okay or if that is okay. She responds. She very professional. I like the experience that I had with her. So I would definitely recommend to her. She is a trainee. But like I said, was going to another trainee before to get started when I tried to get my Sisterlocks installed, but my hair wasn't strong enough. We got like the first couple, and then she couldn't do them because my hair wasn't strong enough, so we ended up having to take them out. So they were both trainees, but the difference is my current loctician, she's had her hair locked for forever, and she's done her own hair. She's done she had took the trainee class before and started doing a little bit, but she didn't finally go forward with it because she had a full-time job. But now she's done it, so she's done some other heads. I was her fourth full install with this time around. She did training twice, so this time around on her fourth head, so she's had more experience. Versus my other trainee, I was going to be her first, and she just had her locks for like 6 months, and she wasn't doing her own reties. Not to knock her or anything like that, because I liked her too until she ghosted me. But I like this trainee. She has more experience with her own hair, and her daughter has Sisterlocks, and so she has more experience, and she was able to get these in, and I'm in love. So I'm not gonna hold this video too much longer. You guys like my lashes today? I was trying to give y'all some dark and lovely realness, like clean face, just give y'all some lashes. I love this mascara. I just put it on, and I put like 3 different coats on it. It makes my lashes like so amazing. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but I don't know. But whatever. Oh, dark and lovely. I hit you up in your DMs on IG. You ain't hit me back. I'm trying to give you a free pair of earrings. So hit me up. I'll list I hit you up for my personal IG, but hit me up on my business IG, and I'll give you a free pair of earrings. Anybody that knows Dark and Lovely, tell her I want her to have a pair of earrings. She don't have to promote or anything. Just I love her hair, and we're both in LA. We should link. Let's do this. Also, you know what? I love all of you guys too, all my Sisterlock lovers, friends, and subscribers. So what I'm gonna do, the first 5 people that hit me up on IG, let me know that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tell me what your YouTube handle is so I can double check, because I ain't trying to be giving my stuff away for free to nobody that don't subscribe. I need some real lovers. So I will send the first 5 people that hit me up in my IG. I'm gonna put the link above to the IG handles, Ethnic Earring. I'll send you a free pair of earrings. So send me your name and your address. If you aren't one of the first 5, I will send you a code for 50% off earrings. So we'll probably extend this. This is October, so we'll go through all of October 2019. After November, the deal is off. So if you guys want a free pair of earrings, try to be the first 5 in IG to hit me up with your name and address and your YouTube handle after you have subscribed to my YouTube channel to let me know that you want your free pair of earrings. And if you're not one of the first 5, I will send you a code for 50% off. Now I'm gonna hit you guys with a little bit of hair porn. I'm gonna show you guys my grid, and I'm also just do a little slow-mo for you guys, okay? So stay tuned. So, if you like the content that I am providing, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe to my channel. So please, thank you guys. I love you very much. I'm trying to grow my channel, and I'm going to be doing some more content on Sisterlock videos. So hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, all of that good stuff to hear more about my journey. All right, guys, love ya.